Hello everyone, I'm Denise.
And I'm Ryan.
And welcome to our channel. If you've never been here before, you're not alone.
We've never been here either.
Today we're going to be talking about avocado toast and our take on the classic avocado toast that you're so familiar with. And we have 5 different options of that.
We sure do.
All right, let's get to it.
Yeah.
You know, Ryan, many years ago now, several years ago, when avocado toast first came on the scene, I think a lot of people just wrote it off as a fad.
Yeah, definitely.
Until the millennials got hold of it.
Yeah, we took care of it and ruined our economy entirely, and it's the reason I can't buy a house.
For all the avocado toast and
yes, coffee that I was
coffee.
buying. Yeah, definitely. But in this economy today, we are going to make 5 different types of avocado toast that I put together that I think are a great variety of different cultural tastes and Americanized tastes.
Excellent. Let's get right to it. Okay, Rye, so this is the first one, and what do we call this?
Yep, just plain Jane. Just regular old avocado toast. So we have some mashed up already avocado here. And then you're just going to put it right on.
And this has olive oil, salt. Is there some garlic in this one?
No, it's just olive oil, salt, and pepper.
Delicious.
Yep, just normal. And then after that, get the rest of it on there. And you can put some more
Ah,
all the way right on top.
if you like olive oil, which I do.
Yeah, me
I
too.
love it.
And then some more pepper. And a little salt.
And there you go.
And
This
you're
is like this was made with your own homemade bread, so it makes it a lot more delicious. It's very thick, like the toast is super thick.
Yeah, it's like artisanal bread.
It's like artisanal bread. It's super delicious.
super good.
And
That's just the plain one.
that's the plain Jane. Okay, great. Let's move on. And we're here now with our second variation. And what do you call this, Rye?
Greens on greens, or my rendition of a lot of the vegan green goddess foods. So you start out with just your regular smashed avocado. Right on there.
Hold that for you, come.
There we go.
You know I love arugula, right? And we
Yeah,
have a
me
version
too.
of this that I put together as well. So, yeah.
And then you put a little bit of that arugula on top, as much as you'd like.
Oh, don't skimp on the
There we
arugula.
go.
For my sake.
And some cucumbers. Cucumbers.
There's a lot of pesto on this. Time for the pesto.
Yeah. Should be fun.
Can I just go?
Actually,
like
let me hit it with this first. Just a little bit of lemon juice.
this? And I can just do this.
Okay, go ahead.
And then, how do you like to do it? Just
Yep, as much as you want. Whatever you want to do.
just drizzle. Oh, I can smell that pesto.
So good.
And yes, folks, you can go to our website and get our pesto recipe. And we also have it on our YouTube channel in a short, which you can find where? Somewhere. Up, down,
Yep, up, down, to the left, to the right.
left to the right.
In our short feed.
In our short feed, yeah.
A little bit more black pepper. And a little bit of salt on top.
Oh, God, that
And
looks
that's that.
great. God, I love that. Okay, let's move on to number 3. 3 of our version of avocado toast.
Yeah, we're doing kind of like a caprese salad, or if you were to get mozzarella and tomatoes and basil on a pizza, like a margarita pizza, kind of doing a version of that. So first, of course, put on the avocado.
Now, when you've mashed this avocado up, does this also have olive oil and salt in it?
Salt and pepper, no
Salt and
olive
pepper.
oil.
Okay, that comes later, right?
Yep, if I'm putting it on top. And then there we go. And I'm gonna start with some basil.
I love fresh basil. You know I do. Basil Food Journal.
Yeah.
How'd you ever guess?
Actually, we're allergic. There you go.
And then you put these on?
Yep, you can just put some tomatoes on, little tomato slices, and then some vegan mozzarella. You can also use vegan feta or no cheese at all. You don't have to use cheese. Oops.
I was trying to leave some. Yeah, I did that.
Yeah, I did that for the things. I was looking out
I
for
left
you.
you some room. I was looking out for you. Who's that remind you? Which one of the girls that you grew up with used to say stuff like that? Don't even say the name of
I
it.
was gonna say.
Because I know who you're going to
It's
say.
like, oh, I'll bring her up. I will right now.
Don't you dare.
Swear to God, give me an excuse. And then we have a little bit of balsamic vinegar.
Yes, yes.
Which I'm
yes.
just going to put on a little bit.
Delicious. I love some balsamic vinegar.
Me too.
Can I put a little salt on?
Yep, salt, and then I'm going to put a little olive oil and pepper.
And the mini versions. Now, vegan cheese has come a long way, right?
Yes. I don't usually order vegan mozzarella, or end up purchasing it just because it is, most vegan cheese is on the expensive side if you get it from the store.
Yeah.
But for this specifically, it's definitely worth it. But if you have your own cashew cheese at home that you made, or if you're not vegan and you just have regular mozzarella cheese, that's fine too.
Yeah.
And that's that. It's that simple.
Okay, we're gonna go on to version. All right, so here we are with number 4, which is, what do we call this?
It is Mediterranean, so it's hummus based. It's kind of like if you were to get a hummus plate
Yeah.
anywhere, and instead of pita, just spread.
And that's your homemade hummus, which I've already dug into this.
Yeah,
morning.
yeah, a few times.
And
you
you
can see it's been hit.
And you could also go on our website if you want, or watch our shorts and get the hummus recipe. Oh my gosh, you absolutely
It smells
makes
so good.
The best hummus ever.
And then you just a thin layer of it, not too much.
Okay.
And
Do you like that jar?
I love this jar.
I know.
It's so cute. I just end up getting the like huge packs of mason jars.
Yeah, this is called,
Where are they from?
yeah, these are weck jars.
They're super nice.
Oh, they're gorgeous. I have a whole bunch of them.
You're better than I. You can keep track of the 5 parts that it takes.
It does take, it
It's like
does.
8
And
different-
see, that's so me because the more complex it is, the more
You're
I
like,
like
this
it.
is
This
just
is perfect.
great.
This is fancy. This is fancy. So I like it.
Yeah, exactly. Here we go. A little bit of avocado.
And then what goes on next, huh?
You can start putting on anything you want. There are Kalamata olives, there are tomatoes, there are cucumbers.
I'm gonna put the olives on first.
And it kind of like makes up for the lack of olive topping on. So popcorn. Down.
Somebody's phone's going. That's my phone because I get
I was gonna say,
robocalls
nobody's calling me.
all day, every day. This is delicious. Now I thought I was gonna like the green one better, green on green,
Mm-hmm.
but this looks really, really good too.
I agree. I had
I guess that's gonna do it.
once upon a time ordered avocado toasted, added olives because I love olives so much. I figured I could just eat them separately if I didn't like it.
Yeah.
And it turns out it's delicious.
Mhm.
So there we go. That is a Mediterranean spin,
That's
and
delicious.
also a little bit more.
And we'll have these all laid out.
Yep.
We'll be testing them and stuff. All right, and last but not least is number 5 in our variations of avocado toast.
And this one here is over a little bit is guacamole inspired. So now you can mix these ahead of time just like you would make normal guac, or you can do sort of, to quote like Hell's Kitchen, you can do a deconstructed guacamole down over here, which makes for
We're gonna be able to eat
really
these
great
soon,
breakfast.
right?
Yes, thank
Just so
God.
folks know, the shot after this shot.
Yeah, I know.
Us actually eating these.
Finally. And oh, feel free.
Yeah,
to put those
I'll
in.
help. I want to help. I want to help. Is that too much? I like that.
That's just fun. And then there is some cilantro. Now I know
So pretty.
some people don't like cilantro and they think it tastes like soap.
Oh, really?
I think it's like
1% of the population or
it's like
something?
18% or so
Wow.
of the population that it tastes like soap. We tested something similar in my physics class my senior year of high school. 'Cause there are certain flavors that not everyone can taste. So cilantro, and then I'm gonna put olive oil on top.
And I'll put a little salt.
Yep, little salt and pepper, and that is a deconstructed guacamole piece of avocado toast.
Oh my gosh, that
I'm
smells
pumped.
ins- Okay, so it is time to eat.
Finally,
Let's do a recap.
yes. So this one right here is plain Jane, and then this here is the green on green or green goddess, Mediterranean, the guacamole, deconstructed guacamole, and then the caprese salad or the margarita version. And I'm pumped.
Okay, you're gonna try that one?
Yep, I'll take this one and cut it first.
Okay.
Yeah, which one do you want to try? And I'll cut it right.
I want to try the
That one
guacamole
first.
deconstruct.
Heck yes.
Oh, because I love some onions.
Two.
I mean, they all look delicious.
Yeah, they all look really
Truth
good.
is, we've been nibbling.
I know.
I've been nibbling on this all day.
So
So
we'll continue. Ooh.
that's pretty. That's very pretty. Now these are so big with the bread. that
I know.
They're a meal,
They're a
right?
full meal. Full breakfast. I'm just gonna cut all of them now.
Okay, that sounds good. And these hold together really well.
Oh yeah.
And the bread, again, which you can find on our blog, Basil Food Journal blog, is like artisanal bread. So it's super thick. I mean, you could cut it thin if you wanted to, but for this, it's thick.
really sturdy.
Yep. And you were able to see that we just make it in the oven instead of with the toaster, but you can put it in the toaster too.
Yep. I just don't have a toaster. Here we go.
But you do everything in the oven instead.
Oh yeah. I just do everything in the oven instead. It's just as easy.
All right, well, let's give it a try. Just about ready?
Oh, cheers some toast.
Cheers. Sometimes. Good job, girl.
Oh yeah.
Now, if you're a person who likes cilantro and onions and guacamole,
Wow.
this is where it's at right here.
Miyoko's vegan mozzarella.
You can. In fact,
It's so good.
Want a bite?
Usually. Not to enjoy.
This is Miyoko's.
I mean, oh my god.
Isn't that delicious?
You know?
That's very light and fresh.
Yeah, it's super good. And then this is, oh, I'm going to try this one. That's the Mediterranean one.
That's with the hummus.
Yep. Hummus is a base. And then this is the greens on greens, the pesto.
I had a feeling that was going to be
Yeah.
a good one.
Yeah.
With the pesto.
Yeah.
The Mediterranean is great. And we have a hummus recipe on the blog. And we have a pesto recipe. And both of those are, you can see them, the recipes are in our shorts too.
Stupid good.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Do you have a favorite?
I might go with the caprese.
I'm going to go with the deconstructed
Yep.
guac. And I didn't think I would.
Oh,
But that is delicious. They're all delicious.
well.
It's a tight race. The green
Pesto.
is very good. Pesto.
Well.
Oh my gosh, I don't know if I can eat any more right now.
Oh, okay.
All right, so go to our blog, basilfoodjournal.com. You'll find all the recipes that we used here today, plus some pictures and the layout of this. And we will see you next time.